Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video is composed of things that I tinkered with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you could click on the links in the comment section below. This video should contain tips and tricks of things that I've learned throughout the year. Now, I only plan on leaving this video posted for about 30 days. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much for watching. Kicking off the day, cleaning out the back of Panther. I had a jug of oil back there, full jug, and loaded something in the back of the car, and it was resting on the jug of oil, and the jug sprung a leak. So it started leaking in the back of the car. If you see there's a little crease on the bottle. That bottle is a hole. So don't look like I lost a lot of oil. Heck, I don't even know if I lost a quart. Yeah, I lost almost a quart. And yes, that quart is in the back of the car. So I gotta clean this mess up, move on to something else. I got that Mobile One poured into this Arizona tea jug. Hopefully that plastic is designed in a way that it'll hold that oil. I poured the rest of that oil in Elizabeth's oil bottle. So, man, this tea jug seems thicker and tougher than this oil jug, so hopefully that'll hold. I got the car cleaned out pretty much. A nice thing is I had some cardboard down in here, and that cardboard absorbed a lot of that oil, and it didn't run under everything. You can see the dark area where it was saturated with oil. So I need to get a move on it. I need to get up to Pittsburgh today. So I'm going to try to change this wheel bearing real quick. Take this planer back to Home Depot. Pack it up and get out of here. Got all gassed up for my drive to Pittsburgh. Took that power planer back to Home Depot. I think I'm going to try to replace this rear right passenger side rear wheel hub. This thing has been honing for probably about 15,000 miles. It may even be giving me a little bit of a vibration. So I'm finally tired of it. I pulled one out of the junkyard the other day that I hope is better, because I couldn't find any of quality that was a decent price anywhere. The closest price I found was like $175. Man, I hate to bite off $175 for a wheel hub, but we'll see how this used one goes and kind of go from there. Should only take about 20 minutes to replace this thing, so I'm going to swap it out. Let you guys know how it works. Kind of a weird situation. This hub is really not old, so I'm assuming that the quality's weak. I replaced it with 368. So I've put about 17,000 miles on the dang thing, and I'm here again. Let's see how this other used one does. But man, there's a little rust on there. Oh, it's Albuquerque. Now that bearing has SKF on it, which is one of my favorite brands. This one, I don't see any of that kind of marking on there. But anyway, let me get done and get out of here. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.